in a big win for Dharavi redevelopment in Maharashtra's Mumbai. Top Court has backed the redevelopment in Dharavi. The Supreme Court has refused to stop the redevelopment work and project that will take place in Mumbai's Dharavi. This comes as a big win for the Dharavi redevelopment project. The Supreme Court refusing to overturn the Bombay High Court's decision in favor of the group that will undertake this redevelopment project. Now, hearing an appeal filed by UAE-based company, the court said that work on the project had already begun, including the demolition of some railway quarters. Now, the company that had filed the plea had challenged the Maharashtra government's decision to award the Dharavi project to Adani Properties Limited after cancelling its bid. The Supreme Court, however, directed that all payments related to the project be made from a single escrow account. Chief Justice of India, leading a bench that included Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar, remarked orally that the Bombay High Court's decision was justified as the railway line would also be developed and incorporated into this project. The court issued notice to the Maharashtra government and Adani Properties and has scheduled the next hearing for May 25. The plea that was filed had originally my colleague Sunil is also joining me for more on this. Sunil, take us through the court's observation when the Supreme Court refused to hold to this redevelopment project.
That's right. It's a big, decision by the Supreme Court refusing to intervene or get into this matter, saying that this will be entirely looked at by the High Court whenever the thing is. There's no stay and that the work has started and that there's some, even though they were the petitioners pointing out some railway line, and that has also been an assurance been given by the Adani Properties, very categorically saying that the railway quarters that have been demolished, there'll be a railway line that will be done. This is a massive project that is being done in terms of redevelopment for the Mumbai city. And it's in that backdrop that the Supreme Court has refused to entertain any plea by the petitioners who wanted it to be kept on hold. They think the work has started and there's no reason to keep it on hold.